A company wants to allow full access to an Amazon S3 bucket for a particular user. Which element in the S3 bucket policy holds the user details that describe who needs access to the S3 bucket? A. Principal. B. Action. C. Resource. D. Statement. The correct answer is a principal. The principal element in an S3 bucket policy holds the user details that describe who needs access to the S3 bucket. This element is used to specify the user or group of users that are allowed to access the bucket. The action element in an S3 bucket policy specifies the type of access that is allowed for the user or group of users specified in the principal element. This element is used to specify the type of operations that are allowed on the bucket, such as read, write, delete, etc. The resource element in an S3 bucket policy specifies the resources that are allowed to be accessed by the user or group of users specified in the principal element. This element is used to specify the specific objects or buckets that the user or group of users is allowed to access. The statement element in an S3 bucket policy is used to specify the conditions under which the user or group of users specified in the principal element is allowed to access the resources specified in the resource element. This element is used to specify the conditions that must be met in order for the user or group of users to be allowed to access the specified resources. Therefore, the correct answer is a principal, as this element holds the user details that describe who needs access to the S3 bucket.